is Sharon Palmer. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm going to show you how to make cubed cheese and sliced fruit platters. The secret to a beautiful fruit and cheese platter is to start with seasonal fresh fruit. For example, in the summertime you can find beautiful strawberries that are in season, melons, and I have pineapple. But it doesn't mean that you can't have a seasonal fresh fruit plate in the fall. For example, apples are in season. You can make a beautiful platter with fresh apples, pears, even persimmons. So letting the seasons inspire your fruit platter is the first tip. Since it's the summer, I'm using fresh strawberries for my platter. I've chosen a small platter, and I like to group the colors in blocks. They're more effective that way when you make a beautiful platter. So I'm arranging fresh strawberries on one side of my platter. And then I've already sliced and into wedges cantaloupe melon, which is a beautiful orange shade, to add another color element to my platter. And then the third fruit that I've chosen is fresh pineapple, which I've trimmed and sliced into wedges. The last element of a cheese and fruit platter is selecting a cheese. You'd like to select some cheeses that blend with the flavors, offer some new colors and textures and taste profiles. So I selected an aged Gouda, which offers a really pretty shade of a soft yellow and a nice texture and a really beautiful flavor. So I have sliced these into wedges, or you can slice them into cubes, and we are arranging them on the platter. And the second cheese that I've chosen is a goat cheese, which is a very soft cheese in texture. I've sliced it into wedges. This offers a different texture to go with your fruit platter and a different flavor. So these can be arranged on the fruit platter, and it can be served with a soft knife when serving the fruit platter. And there we have all the beautiful colors that represent the season for a beautiful fruit platter and cheese. This has been Sharon Palmer, and I just showed you how to make cubed cheese and sliced fruit platters.